Hello everyone, Zane with you, and today we'll show you how to open Halifax bank account online. Okay, the process is simple and easy. You just have to search for Halifax like so, and after you search for it here, you will find the first option. Simply open it, and now what you should do is to simply go down, and you'll see all the details about the bank accounts and all the plans that they have actually offering right here. Now simply I'll go and click on the menu right here. Then I'm going to go and click on bank accounts, and here you have multiple options. You can choose between any one of them. I'm going to choose the current account, and here it will tell exactly what are the features and benefits of this account. Then I'm going to scroll down. You can even compare between current accounts, and I'm going to click on login to apply. I'm going to apply. You want to go and click on register online, just like so. Then you want to go and click on register here. And now you will have to add your first name, last name, date of birth, email, confirm the email, and do you live in UK or not. You'll have to enter also the postcode, the account type, whether it's home insurance, credit card, current or savings, share dealing, and so on, the sort code, and you will have also to agree to the terms and condition and hit the continue. This process is of 3 steps. You just have to fill in all the information, hit the continue, and it will ask for more information. Just provide all the information documents needed and hit the continue, and you're all done till you complete these 3 steps. And this is how you can actually apply online. And I hope this video is useful to you all, guys. And if you have any problems, you can even contact them by going to the support. And if you find this video helpful, please support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.